Well guys, it's another beautiful day. And today we're doing a little video on my Craftsman LT1000. Now, first I'm going to do a shout out to Georgie Presley. Awesome guy. Link in the description to his channel. So, this used to be my dad's Craftsman LT1000. He bought brand new in 2006. So let's get on to the specs. Has an 18 horsepower Briggs & Stratton 1-cylinder OHV Intech. Yeah, everything's pretty good on this thing. The seat's not in good condition, but neither is that one. I do have a suicide knob on here for no real reason. Random button. Doesn't do anything. Not even hooked up. We have the throw. Right above that is the choke. Except the choke won't turn off because the spring doesn't work. You can see it moving down there. Like almost all of these things, this always comes loose. Working on wiring, so the key and everything's not in, like, it's just not in a good place right now. It's just kind of loose and just, eh. It won't even turn over or start right now because that's the battery. And it's dead because this thing doesn't have an alternator. Well, it has an alternator. It just doesn't work. The deck engagement, now what happened with this and why it doesn't have a mowing deck on it, we took it off, and it was because the cable broke to it, and the deck was just not in good condition. Wasn't no rust holes, not even much surface rust, but it was never cleaned really, and yeah. 6-speed transmission, or really transaxle. You do have the clutch right here, except I did have this modification a long time ago. It doesn't really do it anymore, and I don't really use it like this anymore. We have a bungee cord hooked up to that, and it's like hooked up over there too. So when you push in the clutch, you don't even have to hit that, and you just only have to push it down to turn it off. Little thing that I did a long time ago though, so yeah, it's kind of nice, especially if you have to get off the tractor a bunch. That just makes sense. We just replaced the tires off of the donor mower, which is another same year, same day Craftsman LT1000. The specs are just a little different. This has a 42-inch deck. This one has a 38-inch, and it does have a 16 horsepower IC OHV. Now, I would be using this thing and everything, except for the fact that the engine's completely seized. Now, why this was parked originally, and this wasn't originally mine, but why this was parked originally was because he took it to somebody, they said the transmission was bad, and yeah, so he just parked it. He just kept it there, and it sat for a lot of years, and this thing is pretty new then. But if you look down there, the only thing that happened was the belt slipped off the pulley. So, yeah. Regular 6-speed. Like I said, engine completely seized. Plus, nobody wants a 16 horse. Everybody wants an 18 horse. This one's definitely in better condition than that one. Also, another thing that I kind of noticed between these two, there's the little hump that's here. Except on that mower, it's way bigger. It's more of a regular mower type style. This one's a little, more of a modern kind of style. Like I said, same year and everything. The deck does engage, except it's pretty seized up, so it's kind of hard to. Let's see. Now, I do have this other mower that's from 1995. It's completely torn apart. But as you can see, it does have that hump right there in the middle. Now, this is a whole different brand. This is an MTD, when those are Pure Sears Husqvarna. This brake is totally fine. The engine's, yeah. I think this thing's just dead. It's been dead for a mighty long time. Did have a 12.5 horse IC, industrial commercial, but whatever. Enough about that. So, yeah, I would be starting this up right now, but, I'm getting a new battery for it tomorrow, so, we're gonna stop the video here, and with my magic editing skills, I'll bring you back tomorrow to show you the engine, everything running. Well, talk to you later. Well, guys, this is the second part of the video, but it wouldn't run. I have a battery and everything, so it turns over and everything. But I took off the carburetor, and the only way you can do that is basically do this to your wrench. Just sand it down with an angle grinder. It's an idea that I got from Redneck Computer Geek. Go ahead and check him out. Because it had this stupid solenoid. It's a 1/2 inch. Make it much easier if you guys have to do that. Everything works well on it. It was just so corroded and stuff. But inside the bowl was about this thick of brown sludge. Some of that brown sludge is in the jets, but for some reason, I'm not carrying carburetor cleaner, so, more to come, I guess. Well, guys, now it's in running condition. Let's take it for a drive. So for some reason, the engine it's on idle, but it's not idling. But I'm gonna blow up the tires on this thing, and yeah, I'll catch you back later. Well, guys, I did end you up before, but might as well record a cold start on the Ford Ranger. This, for all of you guys who don't know, is a 2010 Ford Ranger. That easy. yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video here. I want to thank you guys for watching. And remember, nothing's too redneck. Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this 2010, yeah, never mind.